Hi, it's Elmatro. Today we are once again looking around the pond to see what kind of plants and animals we can find. Now I'm not sure if you can see them. They're somewhere over around there. There's some fish that are starting to come out as the weather gets warmer. I really like to see the fish come out. They're very cool. There's a snake in there. You can hear it. I saw it for a little bit. So we have some geese over here. You can see them on the shore now. A bird just flew overhead. You can see the geese on the shore. Get maybe a bit closer here. Alright, so we got 3 rocks here. We're going to try and flip them, see if there's any bugs underneath. Start with this one here. Quite an easy turnover. There might be some... Yep. Oh, there's a water strider, maybe? Not sure what that is. We're going to go to this one here. Actually, flip this back. Somewhere. A little bit. One quite easy. One hand it. Oh, there's another one. Right on top of that. Oh, it's moving around everywhere. That was good. This one looks kind of tricky now. Okay, actually I got that quite good. There we go. There's some rock coloration. It's not bugs, but it's cool. Right, so we got another one here. Try and peel that away. There's quite a lot of moss underneath. So here we have some of the things that we are growing at our house now that we're back from the pond. There's some things here. There's also some more over here. I think these are going to be peppers actually. So here are the onions. They've got quite a bit bigger since the last time we checked on them here. You can see they're quite a bit taller and more spread out a bit. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.